Okay, welcome on my channel. I have the intention to tell you and show you how you can make some leather strop in an easy and fast manner. You take some Col de Cologne. This is contact cement. It is a neoprene, chloropene, neoprene caoutchouc with some solvents inside. You take a piece of wood, then you apply some of this glue with the left hand, of course, not with the right hand, because we are lefties here on the channel for today. Then you place your leather piece with the flat side. This is some natural leather. It has a very soft side like fur, and you take this furry side up where the knife blade goes, and this is the because inside of this fur the powder will stick that we apply in a third step. Now you apply on this side some more glue. You can take some plus here you can make too much over the space of this, and now you can apply it directly because it will dry, or you wait and apply a second coat on this piece of leather. And well, I need a third hand now. Is there a third hand? Maybe the thing from Adam's family is able to help me, maybe not. Well, just take more glue. So, and the idea is you glue these pieces both together, and with the furry sides of the leather you have a very good substrate to put your powder of choice on it. We have here this powder. I have to open it, 1 second. You don't want to lose this package of powder anywhere because it is green powder. This stuff is like a pigment. It is chrome oxide. It is non-toxic, non-toxic unless you eat it. Then you go to the hospital or maybe die. As far as I know. So it is safe in a dry application. You don't want to get cancer or anything from it, as far as in the last 2000 years people have used it. Normally this comes mixed in a paraffin wax, the powder, and then you have some wax paste to polish hard steels. This chrome oxide is very hard, and it will give a very good polish on very hard steels. I made me this leather strope, wood stick, after I've seen it. It's not my original idea. I'm a shameless cloner because this idea is just insanely easy, and it's very, very effective. Because you have with this system that when you apply the powder on the leather strope, you have like a sponge that is, well, like such a sponge with the hard surface and the soft surface. You have like a self-made sandpaper, let's say. This is a polishing leather, and this would be, you can buy this with the Scotch Brite on it. It is from 3M. They make such roughing pads or polishing or grinding pads. You can apply such round such flexible such flexible sponges around stuff. because it is flexible. Now I could sketch up a round part of metal and polish it with such a piece. And here this is just glued on the stick, because then you have almost a honing surface, because you have the wood stick underneath. So now, well, you wait until it is not set like here. When you touch it, it has to be dry. And it is when you touch it and it is dry, then it is good to apply or to glue. Well, the idea is now I put this on here and glue it together. And well, I make this now in the opposite manner. Just take the wood stick, aim for the middle, apply it, and press hard down. Well, and there you have it. That's the idea. Now I will go and apply some oil and then the powder on it. And that's it. You can buy this powder by the pounds. It is not that expensive. Or you go to a Japanese store, Japanese stone store in online anywhere, and you buy it. When you're around Switzerland, well, I can maybe sell you some when you need. It is chrome oxide for hard steel blades. And that is now my stropping wood stick. Well, that's it. Now when I'm about to use it, I take it here, and then I take a clamp and clamp it here, or I clamp it on the left side, and then I will go and take my knife and strope it like this. So, or when you have a chisel, this is not a chisel, it is a special kind of Japanese knife. You can pull here, and then you have a stropping or honing action. That will normally, when you hone on a hard steel, it will make a perfectly V on the edge, and when you hone, you have some like a rounded edge. It will be sharp as hell, but it will not be as perfect as with the honing blades. My best advice would be buy a honing blade. They are made of cast iron. You can take any cast iron that is flat, so you don't have to spend. I've seen prices above $200 US for a piece of cast iron. I think that is just insane, because you can take any flat cast iron piece to hone your hardened steel on it, because cast iron is much softer than hardened steel, so it will do nothing to your blade in a bad manner. So. Okay, that's the stropping stick, that's the chrome oxide. Apply some oil, put the powder on it, and then smear it on, and that's it. Then you have a stropping stick. I like the sticks because you can place them anywhere on your table and clamp it, and then just pull your blades, stroke your blades on this easy method. And it's very effective. When it is done, or when you have cut inside the leather, just take it and throw it in the bin. Thanks for watching. Maybe like and subscribe when you're interested in more exotic content. When not, let it be. Have a nice life. Goodbye. Bye.